Lenovo might be working on not one, but two new Googlebooks, and its images are already leaked. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google announced the company was one of its launch partners when it introduced its new Android-based take on ChromeOS in May. But what new hardware that software will run on has largely been a mystery until now. The images show three new devices that appear to have the Googlebook branding on their keyboards, two sizes of laptop in the style of Lenovo's Chromebook Plus 14, and a 2-in-1 tablet with a kickstand and keyboard that looks like the company's IdeaPad Pro Gen 2. The number of USB-C and USB-A port varies, but all three Googlebooks are white and feature a light strip that looks like a Glowbar. The mysterious new hardware feature Google expects will differentiate Googlebooks from other laptops. Glowing lights also seem like a feature to be on Google's upcoming Pixel phones. When Google announced its new AI-powered platform, they only showed pictures of a traditional laptop. Because of this, everyone assumed the software was just for laptops. However, recent hardware leaks show that Googlebooks are also coming to detachable 2-in-1 tablets. Of course, Chrome OS and Android both run on tablets, but this is the first sign the platform isn't laptop only. Most of the new Googlebook features the company has demoed were built around mouse and voice input, like the Magic Pointer. Google hasn't announced an official launch date for its Googlebooks, but said they will come later this year. Considering they were made by a third party, Googlebooks will likely launch separately from the Pixels. Google also announced Asus, Dell, and HP as hardware launch partners alongside Lenovo. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.